Welcome to Dan's Messy Garage. I'm back in my messy garage today, working on a 66 Mustang. Today I'm going to be wire brushing the trunk, getting all the old seam sealer, rust and crap out of there. And then I'm going to put some rust reformer on the rust, and then coat everything with undercoating or truck bed coating or some stuff. And now I'm looking for my extension cord. Ah, over here. I got it. Grinder plug in. So how are you guys doing today? All right? Good. I'm alright. It's not as hot today. Less humid. Hopefully this won't be too bad. Been good enough. Light. Okay, time to make some noise in the mess. Alright, you guys get the idea. I'm going to continue on and I'll bring you back later when I'm kind of done. That was a nasty, messy, dusty job, but I got that all brushed out as good as it's going to get. I didn't want to go too crazy on that because that is actually the gas tank, and I don't want to rub through that with sparks and then booyah. So I got everything else cleaned up. There's a wire there. That wire runs across, held onto an attachment right about there. That's for the gas gauge, the fuel level indicator. And I was careful not to get that snagged in the grinding wheel or the wire brush, because I would have ripped it right out of there. So now I got to do some rust reforming. And when that dries, I'm going to spray some whatchamacallit on it, undercoating. I already sprayed some in there to cover where I seamed things together, and it's going to look more like the other side. Again, you're not going to be able to tell it was put together. I did spread some seam sealer around the areas that I welded the bumper brackets. that's all going to be covered up. Not going to see that either. All right, I got to stop yakking and start working. Okay, I got the camera sitting up on my freshly painted quarter panel over there. Hope you guys appreciate that. Now, what I got is Loctite Extend Neutralizer. Converts light rust to a paintable surface. Puts some kind of a polymer coating on it. The rust actually transforms and supposedly stops it from rusting. And it says to apply 2 light coats, 20 minutes apart. And it's going to turn black when it's done doing its thing. So I'm just going to slap this on here. And in 20 minutes, I'll hit it again. Then I got to wait 24 hours for it to cure before I can paint it or put on the undercoating. Truck bed liner or whatever I decide to use in here. I know trunk spatter paint is another popular thing, but you can do that over the top of the undercoating. All right, so I'll keep doing this, and you can go get yourself an adult beverage or something. Bye. First coat's on and dry. I'm putting on the second coat now. I know I got a few new subscribers doing this series on fixing the Smash 66 Mustang. And your new subscribers probably think that I do body work and paint on, paint cars and stuff. I do it, but that's not what I really would like to do. I'm more of an engine builder. I like to build engines that you would be putting in a car like this, or go to a drag strip or something. I have an engine behind me on a stand that's going to be going in my 76 Monarch, if I can ever get back to it. I bought the Monarch, and not long after that I bought this car so I could fix it, sell it, get some money, work on other projects. So Monarch's been sitting while I'm working on this one. I'm getting closer to the end of working on this car. The guy I bought it from wants to buy it back, which would be wonderful. It was a father-son project, and he says it's got a lot of value, sentimental value to him, and he'd like to get it back. So that'd be wonderful. I just hope that happens. And my Messy Garage channel is not only car stuff. I have ultrasonic cleaner videos and plethora of videos, mini bike stuff. I can't talk and work at the same time, so I'm just gonna shut up and get back to work. I just wanted the new subscribers to know that I'm not a paint and body guy. You know, like, yeah, I do it, but I'd rather do other things. All right, I think I bored you guys long enough. All I can do is spread this on, let it dry, and then I'm going to go to a car show today and sit around and yak with my friends. So I'll bring you back when I have something to report. I know the light's not real good in here, but I just sprayed Herculiner truck bed coating in the trunk. Looks great. Everything's coated up nice. I'm gonna let that dry. Then I'll put the trunk mat in, and the trunk area will be complete. I did a couple little touch-up spots rubbing out the car where I had like a little drip or run that I missed last time. It's looking good now. Everything is up to snuff, ready to go. I'm doing a little bit of cleaning up under the hood, and the guy I bought it from wants to come and look at it, so that'll be great. I do have an antenna on order. This one snapped off, and I didn't get to paint the wheels yet, but I will. It's another stupid muggy day today, and I'm going to call it quits. It's going to be the end of this video. You can come back or check back later some other day for another video. Bye.